We begin by a description of the parts in the system. This is the crate that the CCR will come in. Unfortunately, we've already taken the CCR out of the crate and mounted it, and the manual has a very good description of how to do this, and we'll go over it in some detail with just words. There are a couple pieces in the kit that you need to know about. The blue binder is the manual for the CCR. You should want to keep that. And then there should be 3 wrenches like this. These are the wrenches that are used to connect and disconnect the gas lines between the compressor and the CCR. So these are pretty important. Don't lose these. Your system will have a vacuum pump in it. Yours won't look like this. This is the one that I'm using here. It's one of the older variant pumps. But you have a vacuum pump. It's a turbo pump. It will have a gauge on it that this has sticking up on the top, and a line that goes over to the CCR and connects here on the speed valve. And this vacuum pump is used to pump the vacuum space in the CCR. You should do this the first time for when you cool it down the system, when you receive it and get it up. I would recommend pumping it overnight. You'd like to see the pressure be down into the 10 to the -5 range. You need to have the pump whenever you're operating the CCR, because you'll frequently have to stop and re-pump out the vacuum space. This, of course, is the CCR unit itself, fully assembled. We'll go over details of how to make all the connections and what's required. This little gray box here is the flush fill box. This is used for putting helium gas into the sample space so that you can keep the sample in helium gas. We'll go over its operation as well. Here is the compressor for the system, and showing the 2 lines that are connected from the compressor to the CCR. They are color-coded, red and green, so you don't get them mixed up. We'll go over exactly how to hook them up as well. You also will need a bottle of helium gas. This is the helium gas that is connected to the flush fill box. That is supplies the helium that is the exchange gas in the system. So that's just a quick review of all the major components in the system, and we'll start here in a minute and go over detailed information on how to assemble the system and test the system out. Thank you.